This is Pokemon Mega Evolution Pitch Black by the single box random number 13. Best of luck here to Noah's. Said he wants 2. So we've got, use the overhead, 1, 2. Left from right. So then we have Noah's winner. Right there, you can see on the overhead, here's our number 2.
Just realized that Cat and I have met each other before. Sorter Cat.
Oh, tattoo place?
Yes.
That makes sense. There's Ozzy Ryan T. Hello, hello. How are you doing, man? Like, straight up, how are you doing? How'd everything go? Ugh. Noah's Athletics. Good luck, man.
No.
No. It's all good. Thank you, though. Junior, I was feeling really good today. Really good. And then I lifted a case wrong, and now I am back to how I felt on Monday, which sucks, because I was feeling pretty good today. I got the Lurantis and the double. Alright, now recovering after some complications post-op, but I'm on the mend. Well, I'm happy to hear that you're recovering. Sorry to hear that there was complications. But no matter what, I'm happy to hear you're here with us. Evil. I mean, you got some cool cards headed your way as a...
Can I put this in?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that out. Since lately I'm the only one that takes that out.
I noticed.
Chill. We got Lampent, Seaking, and Miraidon. Hope you feel better. Swooped up 10 packs, finished up the Abyss spots. Swag, bruh. Big swag. Yeah, I'm like, it's tolerable now. It hurts like crazy. I'm very low energy because it's just non-stop, constant pain. But I think we'll be able to power through the next hour or so. Jags was like, go home, dude. We got too much going on right now. It's pitch black release. Let's see, we'll probably do the 10 packs first, Junior. Is what we'll do. Nickit Knight, Vikavolt, and Bastiodon. It's been good unpacking. Are your cards shipping out, or are they being held here? Ryan. I have to like make a major conscious effort to like relax my shoulders. Because if I start to do this, that's what was really killing it earlier today. Delmise, Armarouge, and Spiritomb.
Maybe at home, that's the stretch you should do.
Oh, I do like I hate doing it in public because you look ridiculous, but it's the turtle stretch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ow. Yeah.
But that's the one that like, when I have my shoulders tucked up and I have my head all the way back, that one, like that hurts so much. But then after I do that for like 5 minutes, then I feel okay.
You feel loosened.
Then we got the Rust Syndicate Grunt. The Rust Syndicate. They go around giving loans to kids and then make the kids pay off the debt. That's what these guys like to do. Being held there once a month shipping. I'll help you get your gold in soon, man. Just received shipments, so it'll be a few weeks from dispatch. Damn. We got Lullaby, Sinistcha, and Chiyu. Well, the good news is you got a gold with your name on it. Rubbing. Charge a bug. Doing pretty decent so far. Noah's Athletics. It's like a nice little spread here. I wish all the boxes were like this. Or just kind of, you know, it like trickles all the different hits. I prefer that. It makes it more fun. There's the bus. Maybe if I get a charge a bug, I'll name it Gus. Because then it's the Gus bus. Skull Fossil. We'll see a double rare back there. Shieldon, Goldeen, and Mega Slowbro on the double. Double. So what I mean with these they are tighter, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I tried using them and I was instantly annoyed, and then I decided to use 59 points.
Vilbur. Unfortunately, it's the only things we have. Misty's Vitality, Voltaic, and Zarude.
I mean, I would deal with it if it weren't for the fact I needed to double sleeve them because of the tamper seals.
Yeah. There we got Tropius, Shupit, and oh whale lore he coming. Noah's Athletics. You know it to be true. At least I say that it's true. Maybe you don't know it, but I'll say it. It's a good omen to get a whale lord. Slowpoke. Still want to know what it tastes like. Bombardier, Whalmer, and a Primarina. Tropius. We got a Jinx, Shadowy, and a Spiritomb. I spoke too soon. Now we're hitting a little dry patch. I knew it was too good to be true how often we were seeing really cool things in the beginning. It's okay, we still got that entire other half to get your SIR and gold in. Relicanth, bruh.
Can this can see two people?
I don't know. I haven't tested it.
If I'm really close to you, then yes.
No, because I have it where it cuts off the... it's only the right side.
Oh.
But I don't know if it...
Follows two people.
Yeah. I'd be shocked if it did. No, that's one thing I didn't consider with... Oh wait, no. I don't have
I
to
mean, you
consider
don't have
that.
to worry about it here.
No, like if... I put it, say, in like baseball, for example. Two cannon. Two cannon. Illustration. I'm curious how it handles priority of a face to follow.
Yeah.
It did remove you with the AI background though, which is good because I have the version of it that doesn't have the pivoting head. That's going to be going in main.
Okay.
Dark Bell, Whalmer, and a Zarude. Da-da-da-da-da. Inkay. Spiritomb, Randabuzz, and a Silvally. Kren y Dos. Bronzor, Slowbro, Voltaic. Armour. Oh, we went straight to the back there. Gladion. I always want to call Gladion Madion. Excadrill. That's a double. Alright, too many doubles now. I feel like I'm always saying that. I get these weird streaks of just way too many double rares. Trumbig, Brion, Shadowy. The naming of the special energies in this set suck, bro. Shadowy and Voltaic. All the other sets, I don't really mind them all that much, but this one, they're especially bad. Sizzlipede, Marshadow, and Mega Excadrill EX on the Ultra. This one kind of, this one goofy. This one says Gorsh when you catch it.
Gorsh.
Skull fossil, even though that's not a skull. It doesn't look like a skull. Oh wait, that's the, I think that's the top of the kind of the Slowpoke, Toucannon, Morpeko. I want to see more of that Morpeko back there. That's the Morpeko. This is a Morpeko, that one's more. Nick. Fromentis, Armor Fossil, and Coridon. Mankey. Chi-Yu-Pi-Yu. Manectric. Sorry, Manectric. No one's ever corrected me. I've always said Manectric. I never read the R until this
I
card.
also thought it was Manectric.
Yeah. I know, I would say Manectic. I never read the R in trick.
Ah.
Look, that trick. Give me a Rhydon. Palafin, Skarmory, and Zarude. Venison. Mastiff, Inkay, and there's a tremendous bomb. Now, if something's described as a tremendous bomb, is that a good thing or a bad thing? The bomb is a good thing and the bomb is a bad thing. I don't know which one as of late is the preferred descriptor. Alright, we've caught up on those two. Now just show us the SIR. Take it back. Scorch, Amarouche. We're now in the Elite Four. Let's get something really cool for Noah's Athletics here. Something super cool, come on. Grunt, Jet, Primarina. Brion. Oh man, I thought that was in the right spot. Damn it. Venison, Poltergeist, Zeraora. Been seeing a lot of this guy, both in double and SIR form. Blue pack, one I always root for. Would love to see a blue or a SIR or a gold. We haven't had a blue pack hit in a minute. Dang it! Alright, last pack magic. It's come through a couple times for us today. Noah's Athletics. Best of luck on the last pack. Come on. One more hit for Noah's. Make it a big one. Make it a big one. Aw, oh, man. Show me an Ultra? Damn it! There we go, Noah's. I mean, some cool Ultras here. I don't think I've seen you get either or any of these yet. Still progress, still progress. We go through our double rares. Into the illustrations. And the Ultras. That was Pokemon Mega Evolution, Pitch Black by Single Box, random number 13. Thank you all very, very much. Now, thank you, Noah's Athletics. That's what I should be saying. Ugh.